Imagine a busy office where team members are constantly juggling multiple tasks, meetings, and deadlines, all while trying to stay productive and meet their goals. In this fast-paced environment, a reliable and efficient printer is more than just a nicety. It's a necessity. Unfortunately, many offices like this still struggle with the hassle, expense, and security risks associated with printing. Printers can be finicky, hard to set up, and plagued by maintenance issues, causing downtime and frustrating delays. And let's not forget about the security risks involved with sharing sensitive documents and information through printing. It's a problem that many businesses face, but it doesn't have to be this way. Enter the HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M480f Multifunction printer. This high-end device aims to address the pain points of office printing, delivering a solution that's easy to use, simple to manage, and packed with advanced security features. First impressions count, and the M480f certainly makes a strong one. The sleek and modern design is sure to impress, exuding a sense of professionalism that's perfect for the office. The build quality is equally impressive, with a sturdy metal frame that feels rock solid. And when it comes to usability, the intuitive interface and touchscreen display make it a breeze to navigate, allowing even the most tech-phobic team members to get up and running quickly and easily. But let's dig deeper. The M480f is more than just a pretty face. Its advanced features and capabilities make it a powerhouse of productivity, designed to empower small teams and help them work more efficiently. Here are just a few of the key features that set it apart. First, there's the impressive print speeds, which can reach up to 29 pages per minute. This is lightning fast, allowing your team to churn out documents, reports, and presentations without breaking a sweat. And with the M480f's fast print speeds, you can also count on it to keep up with even the most demanding print jobs, from large files to complex graphics. Next, we have the advanced security features that make the M480f a no-brainer for security-conscious businesses. The printer comes with robust encryption, secure authentication, and advanced threat detection to protect against malware and other cyber threats. This is crucial in today's digital landscape, where protecting sensitive information and intellectual property is paramount. Another crucial feature is the 50-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, which streamlines document processing and reduces manual intervention. This is particularly useful for teams that handle large amounts of paperwork or documents, such as HR, accounting, or contract management. For businesses with remote teams or mobile workers, the M480f offers seamless integration with HP's multifunction apps, providing the flexibility to work from anywhere. Whether you need to share files, collaborate on projects, or scan and send documents to clients, the M480f makes it easy to empower mobile workers and boost productivity on the go. But how does it perform in real-world scenarios? We tested the M480f in a busy office setting, printing out a variety of documents, reports, and presentations. The results were nothing short of impressive. Print speeds consistently hit their highest marks, with crisp and clear text and vibrant colors that rivaled professional-grade prints. The scanner, too, proved to be a workhorse, accurately scanning and saving multiple files with ease. But like any device, the M480f isn't without its trade-offs. While it's a powerhouse in terms of speed and feature sets, it does require a fair amount of power to keep it running. You'll need to ensure that your office is equipped with the necessary electrical outlets and have a suitable UPS in place to avoid downtime. Another minor complaint is the lack of mobile printing capabilities, which might disappoint some users. However, the M480f does support HP's multifunction apps, so this limitation can be mitigated to a certain extent. Now let's talk turkey, the pros and cons. On the plus side, the M480f delivers impressive print speeds, robust security features, and seamless integration with HP's multifunction apps. The automatic document feeder streamlines document processing, and the touchscreen display makes it easy to navigate and manage the printer. For small teams, the M480f is an unbeatable solution. It's easy to set up, use, and maintain. On the downside, the M480f can be a bit pricey, with an MSRP of $2,499. This might be out of budget for some small businesses, particularly those on a tighter budget. Additionally, it's worth noting that the M480f supports only Ethernet and USB connectivity. If you need Wi-Fi connectivity, you might want to look elsewhere. In the market for competing options, you'll find devices from brands like Xerox, Ricoh, and Brother that offer similar capabilities and security features. While these devices can be strong contenders, the M480f edges out its competitors with its sheer speed and robust security features. HP's enterprise-grade printing ecosystem, which includes HP Web Jet Admin and HP Wolf Enterprise Security, is unmatched in the market. This provides IT teams with the centralized control and visibility needed to manage and monitor printing environments effectively. So what does this leave us? The HP Color LaserJet Enterprise M480f multifunction printer is an excellent solution for small teams and businesses seeking a reliable, efficient, and secure printing experience. Its impressive print speeds, seamless integration with multifunction apps, and robust security features make it an unbeatable choice for those looking to empower mobile workers and boost productivity. If you're ready to take your printing experience to the next level and say goodbye to downtime, security risks, and frustrating maintenance issues, the M480f is the ideal choice. And as a valued member of our business community, I want to invite you to try it out for yourself. Contact our sales team today to explore a trial or purchase program that's right for your business.